Escape to 150 plus acres in Tennessee with 2 custom homes, creek frontage on both sides, rolling pastures, scenic trails, a modern barn, and breathtaking hilltop views stretching across the countryside. within the peaceful landscape of Tennessee, ready-to-roll acres offers the kind of privacy, freedom, and space that instantly feels like your own private world. Spanning more than 150 acres, this remarkable estate unfolds with a beautiful balance of open pasture land, wooded ridgelines, and panoramic views that showcase the natural beauty of Middle Tennessee. As you pass through the gated entrance, the property immediately creates a feeling of arrival and complete escape. Creeks bordering both sides of the land add another layer of beauty, creating peaceful sounds, attracting wildlife, and enhancing the natural setting throughout the property. At the center of the estate sits a custom-built main residence, thoughtfully designed around its expansive front porch, creating a timeless farmhouse presence that feels connected to the land from every angle. Inside, warm modern character is elevated through soaring 10 to 12-foot ceilings, wide plank wood floors, designer lighting, custom millwork, and oversized windows that bring natural light and countryside views into nearly every room. The open living spaces flow naturally into a refined chef's kitchen and spacious dining areas, making the home equally suited for everyday living and entertaining guests. Extending the experience outdoors is an incredible back porch, featuring fully remote-controlled screens, allowing you to enjoy the surrounding scenery comfortably through every season. Positioned privately on its own hilltop is a second custom residence that adds flexibility and opportunity to the estate. Whether used for extended family, guests, or future rental potential, the home includes open living areas, covered porches, a 3-car garage, and a heated in-ground fiberglass pool, creating its own peaceful retreat. With 150-plus acres, multiple residences, creek frontage, scenic trails, a barn, panoramic views, and endless room to explore, this Tennessee estate offers extraordinary possibilities for equestrian living, recreation, a family compound, or even a future event venue. This is where luxury and wide open land come together in a way that feels almost impossible to find.